Hello everyone, this is tutorial number 2. I'm going to be explaining how to put roles again and how to sort of manage the Discord application. So I'm going to share my screen real quick. So if we have my server here and we're going to create a channel or a voice channel or a text channel that is mainly locked and can be accessed only by certain students and certain people, it's going to be, first of all, the server manager's job to do that, the administrator. So when you go to service settings, first of all, we need to assign roles. So what we're going to do is add a role. For example, if the case that we're making this for the Common Read program, so it's going to be Common Read, let's say, Kotzeba. So, and we're going to put a nice little color. Within this role, have certain abilities that they can do, certain things that they are permitted to do within the server itself. They can't manage the server, they can't change the server's name. Not sure if it's okay to give them managing roles, because at that time they will give themselves roles and start to enter others' people's. Channels, that's good because like members can start creating their own channels, talk there and whatnot. So yeah, that's that. Managing nicknames and changing nicknames, those are pretty okay. So what happens when we have this role? We save the changes. We come here and create a new text channel, for example. So after coming here and we pick the text channel, we make it private. We put the name, Common Read, Kotzeba, right? Or just Kotzeba if the server on its own is the Common Read program server. So, and then we enable here the role of Common Read Kotzeba. So after we create this channel, see, we have this lock icon here, and not everyone can access this. Now we see like there are people here with different colors on their names. But for example, if I give, like for example, this guy here, right? Ragnar Thornhall. If I give them the role Common Read Kotzeba, Ragnar will appear here as online. Ignore these are bots. They can be in any server, in any voice channel, text channel. So then we have to create the according voice channel. So again, private and Common Read Kotzeba. Now we can put here Common Read Kotzeba voice channel and create this channel. And once it's here, it is also locked, but because I gave the role option already to people who are from this server, the Common Read Kotzeba, Ragnar, this guy, can immediately enter this voice channel. It'll appear there immediately. So what we're gonna do is when we go back to general where all the people are, we're going to just give the people who are, for example, who belong to this Common Read instructors group, we're just going to give them these roles and they are able to enter these channels. Another fun little thing that can be done is to create a category. For example, we can create category named, for example, medieval literature. If there's going to be different sorts of readings. So for example, medieval literature, if we look here, there is this category open. So what we do is that if Kotzeva's group is reading medieval literature, we just drag and bring Kotzeva's channels here. So we have medieval literature, Common Read Kotzeba for a text and voice channel. Or we can just call this, for example, Kotzeva's group, right? And when we do that, students will know automatically that this is the group that they belong to. So their channels are here usually. So we're going to have Kotzeva's group, for example, Garbis's group, Rafik's group, etc. So that's about it for creating channels and categories. I'm pretty sure you're going to give administration rights to the fellow instructors so they can sort of create their own channels, manage their own things. So that's on you. I really encourage adding bots such as Rhythm. Let me show you something. So what does Rhythm do? Rhythm plays music in the background while reading or talking. It's really nice. So when I enter a voice channel, I can use a certain command, for example, join, and as we see, Rhythm has joined me. What we do next is that I click play and I sort of bring any type of YouTube link and I just copy paste it and Rhythm plays it in the background. Very cool. Whenever I don't need Rhythm, I just disconnect them. Easy peasy. So yeah, bots are nice. There can be many sorts of bots. I can send a link that has bots, and you can find some bots that could be very interesting for the server. Um, so that's it, I guess. Thank you very much. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Goodbye.